Hello guys, how are you today? This is Ella. Welcome back again to our channel. So for today's vlog is I'm going to review Revlon's Colorstay Eyeliner. So this part here is, they call it sharpener or blender. This is for blending, I use this for blending. And over here and the others, other side, is the eyeliner part. So this is look, this is very long. So that's it. And then you just so super long. So that's it, guys. This is very good. This is my first eyeliner from Revlon that I'm using as of now. So I like this, although I don't know to compare, because this from other product, because this is my first eyeliner product from Revlon. So as of now, this is good for me. So far so good. So I am enjoying this using Revlon Colorstay.